Offices are changing faster than buildings can keep up. Today's tenants expect flexibility, privacy on demand, collaboration when needed, and spaces that support focus, well-being, and productivity. But most commercial interiors are still locked into permanent layouts, fixed privacy, and costly retrofits.
That's where smart glass SVACs come in. Smart glass transforms from clear to private instantly. No blinds, no shades, no visual clutter. Just clean, intelligent space, but adapts in real time.
This is privacy on demand. Visual confidentiality in a fraction of a second. A 45 decibel soundproofing. Smart glass offers superior acoustic isolation for deep work and sensitive meetings.
Tenants are paying 60% premiums for this kind of focus. Give them the sanctuary they can't get at home.
The commercial real estate market hasn't crashed. It has simply split in two, where trophy assets are capturing the majority of the leasing action, while non-premium assets risk fading into obsolescence.
Smart glass spaces aren't a trend. They're a smarter way to build offices.